Hey, what's up, guys? So I got an email with this question, right? Obviously, if you're watching this, you're most likely brand new or you're experienced wanting to see what a rookie has to say about this, right? Well, get your endorsements. If you're at a mega carrier like Knight Swift or whatever, you're probably gonna hear from drivers, don't get your endorsements, right? I heard that shit a lot. I still went and I got them. I got my doubles and triples, all my first week of training. I got my doubles and triples, I got my hazmat, I got my tanker, and then I got hazmat, doubles and triples, tanker, and my TWIC card, because I was doing port and rail for night. To be honest with you, all I can recommend is JB Hunt. I'm not telling you to come here. There's other companies out there for you that pay local positions, home every day. But you got to have the experience. That's the kicker. Through my research, JB Hunt had the lowest amount of experience needed to get a home everyday job. And that was the El Super account in Ontario. So if you're from the LA area, there's your answer, man. I commuted for 5 months from Southgate to Ontario every day for that position. It was regional, but I was home 4 days a week. As soon as local position opened up, your foot's already in the door. Regional, so what? Bam, local position, home every day. Work anywhere from 9 to 11 and a half hours a day. Make good money. Not the best, I feel we are all underpaid. It's a hell of a lot better than where you're at starting out. Definitely. So don't listen to people, man. Get your endorsements, because those are the jobs that are going to pay good. Because if you stick it out at the company you're at for a year, those companies are going to pay like $75,000, $80,000, all the way to $100,000 a year, and get you home every single day. Shoot, after a year, you can apply for UPS. Be home every day with them. Dude, that's over $300 a day with them. For sure, it's like $320 or $330. It's like, it starts off at like $26, $27 an hour. Those guys go all the way up to like $35 an hour or something like that. It's damn good. They pay hourly. JB Hunt, cents per mile and all that, but your stops and mile add up. You got day rates and everything, so it evens out. But pulling like milk in a tanker with baffles, pulling hazardous materials such as like propane and liquid hydrogen and oxygen, and hauling diesel and gasoline, and like all those pay excellent, get you home every day. You're looking at a $75,000 to $85,000 job, but you got to have the 1 year of experience. So stick it out, stay motivated. All right, 1 year doesn't take long. If you can't find anything and you find yourself out on that road, just make the best of it, man. Keep yourself running, keep yourself motivated, keep yourself in shape. And when your year is up, your time has come. For now, all I can recommend is put in your applications, especially for those of you here in the LA area with JB Hunt. Look out for those places that are, or those accounts within JB Hunt that only ask for like 3 months of experience. I know for the 99-cent account, they're asking for like 6 months. I think it was at 12 months, and then they dropped it to 6, just like El Super was asking for 6 and they dropped it to 3. So, and don't come over to the company on a dedicated route for a store if you're not comfortable backing. If you're not comfortable backing, stay where the hell you're at and get your experience backing. For those of you that have moved along a little quicker and you're comfortable, make the jump, make the move. If not, don't do it. You're gonna get in an accident. That's pretty much all I have for you guys. You know, get your endorsements. Get your endorsements. Have those. It's important. It matters. Don't listen to anybody that says don't get your endorsements. Listen to what you're telling yourself inside, okay? If you don't want to get your endorsements, don't get them. But I'm telling you what pays in the long run. Me, I'm going to take a different route. I'm not going to reveal that just yet. But also pays damn good. Anyways, I hope this advice has helped. If you're brand new to trucking and you're with a mega carrier like Knight or Swift or anything like that, just pay attention constantly, go slow. All right, it's not a race. Be safe, okay? And stick it out and be asking them, you know, for, because I know Knight and Swift, they're really good with getting you home. You know, I think you'll be happy. I hear a lot of people have different experiences. Some people, they're like, damn, they never get me home. Other people are like, and Knight's great with getting me home, Knight and Swift. So I don't know, man. I don't know what's up with that, but I hear a lot of different things. They were great with me. I have no complaints as far as getting home. The money just wasn't there. I mean, you're brand new. Naturally, they can only pay you so much. That's just the way it is. So jumping over to another company, I picked it up pretty fast, you know. So if you're the same and you're picking it up fast and you feel comfortable backing, jump on over with JB Hunt. The link will be in the description box below. And if you find something better, do your homework, do your research, go with that. All right? All you truckers out there, you stay safe. All right? See you on the road.